Welcome to my channel. You know what's famous for its unique black and white striped coat? If you think about it, it must be a zebra. That's right. It's a mammal belonging to the horse family and is best known for its black and white striped coat. But zebras aren't just any ordinary horse. They have distinctive features that set them apart. You might be familiar with their stripes, but did you know that no two zebras have the same stripe pattern? Just like our fingerprints, their stripes are unique to them. If you're curious to know more about this amazing animal, stay tuned till the end of this video. We'll explore where they live, what they eat, their predators, and everything else you need to know. So let's dive in and discover the wonders of zebras. Where do zebras live? Zebras are native to Africa and can be found in a variety of habitats, including grasslands, savannas, and some open woodlands. Their range extends from the Sahara Desert in the north to South Africa in the south. Within these regions, zebras prefer areas with short to medium-height grasses and scattered trees. They typically avoid dense forests and high-altitude regions. What's a zebra's social structure? Zebras are highly social animals and typically live in groups called herds. The size of the herd can vary, but they generally consist of a few females and their young, led by a dominant male. The dominant male is responsible for protecting the herd and breeding with the females. In some cases, a group of males may share a herd, forming a loose social structure. This helps them keep an eye out for predators and maintain order within the group. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including barks, snorts, and screams, which help them stay in contact with each other and respond to potential threats. Now that we know where they live and who they live with, let's talk about what they eat. What do zebras eat? Zebras are herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of grasses. They use their sharp incisors and canine teeth to cut and tear through grasses with ease. However, they don't stick to one type of grass and will consume various species depending on availability. During the dry season when food is scarce, zebras may also eat leaves and bark from trees and shrubs. This adaptability allows them to survive in different habitats and ensures they have access to nutritious food sources. Their digestive system is also capable of digesting coarse grasses that are difficult for other animals to break down. This ability is due to the specialized bacteria in their gut, which ferment cellulose, a major component of plant cell walls. As a result, they can extract essential nutrients from grasses that would otherwise be inaccessible to many other herbivores. Are zebras good migrants? Yes, zebras are excellent migrants. During the dry season, when their primary food sources become scarce, they embark on long journeys in search of water and fresh grass. These migrations can cover hundreds of kilometers. Zebras typically travel with other grazing animals, such as wildebeest and antelopes. By migrating together, they benefit from each other's presence as they can collectively defend themselves against predators and share information about food and water sources. Now that we know what they eat, let's find out what eats zebras. What are zebras' predators? Lions, leopards, and hyenas are the main predators of zebras. These predators rely on their strength, speed, and hunting strategies to catch zebras. Lions often work in groups to surround and ambush zebras, while leopards may target young or sick individuals. Hyenas, known for their scavenging habits, also hunt zebras and are particularly drawn to their young. Zebras, however, have developed effective anti-predator adaptations. Their speed allows them to escape from most predators, and their strong kicks and bites can inflict serious injuries. Living in herds provides additional protection, as zebras can warn each other of approaching predators and defend each other as young. Their ability to migrate to areas with abundant resources further reduces their vulnerability to predation. By understanding the threats they face and employing various defense mechanisms, zebras have managed to coexist with their predators in African ecosystems. Do zebras have any enemies? Aside from the predators we already mentioned, there's another animal that can be considered an enemy of the zebra. Ticks and flies are perhaps the most annoying creatures for zebras. Due to their blood-sucking nature, these insects pose a significant threat to the well-being of zebras. Their bites can cause irritation, inflammation, and even transmit diseases. To cope with these relentless pests, zebras spend a considerable amount of time engaging in dust-bathing behavior. By rolling in the dust, they aim to kill ticks and flies and prevent them from causing harm. Additionally, the dust acts as a natural insecticide, providing some relief from these blood-sucking parasites. Unfortunately, the effectiveness of this strategy is not guaranteed. and zebras continue to face the constant challenge of dealing with ticks and flies. These insects remain a persistent threat to the comfort and health of zebras, forcing them to employ continuous defense mechanisms. Why do zebras have stripes? As we mentioned earlier, zebras are easily recognizable because of their unique black and white striped bodies. This distinct feature sets them apart from other African mammals. There are several theories about why zebras evolved to have stripes. One theory suggests that the stripes serve as camouflage. When zebras graze in herds, their striped coats blend seamlessly with the striped shadows cast by tall grasses or trees. This makes it difficult for predators, such as lions, to distinguish individual zebras from a distance, making it harder to isolate and target a specific prey. Another theory proposes that the stripes help repel biting insects like flies and ticks. The black stripes absorb more heat than the white stripes, creating microclimatic differences on the zebra's body. This temperature variation makes it less hospitable for biting insects, reducing the number of painful bites the zebras endure. Additionally, the stripes may also assist zebras in recognizing each other within the herd, allowing for better social interactions and communication. The distinct stripe pattern of each zebra may aid in individual recognition, helping them identify their own offspring or members of their close family group. Furthermore, the black and white stripes could serve as a warning to predators, indicating that zebras are unpalatable or poisonous. Although there's no evidence to support this theory, overall, the striped coat of zebras is a remarkable adaptation that serves multiple purposes, aiding in camouflage, insect repelling, and possibly individual recognition. How fast can zebras run? Zebras are known for their impressive speed and agility. They're capable of running at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour. Their powerful legs and sturdy hooves enable them to cover vast distances quickly, allowing them to escape from predators or cover large areas in search of food and water. When running at top speed, zebras can maintain a steady pace for a considerable period, ensuring their ability to flee from danger. Their speed is crucial for their survival, helping them evade predators and thrive in their natural habitat. Are zebras endangered? None of the 3 species of zebra are considered endangered. However, they do face threats that could potentially push them towards endangerment, if not properly addressed. Habitat loss due to factors such as agricultural expansion and human development can fragment zebra populations and limit their access to resources. Poaching and the illegal wildlife trade also pose risks to zebra populations. Additionally, climate change can impact zebra habitats, affecting vegetation patterns and water availability. Conservation efforts are in place to protect zebras and their habitats, but continued monitoring and sustainable land management practices are necessary to ensure their long-term survival. Fun facts about zebras. Here are some interesting facts about zebras that you might not have known before. Oh, did you know that zebras belong to the horse family? They are related to horses and donkeys. There are 3 species of zebras: the plains zebra, the mountain zebra, and the Grevy's zebra. Plains zebras are the most common and have a wide distribution across Africa. Mountain zebras are found in the mountains of eastern and southern Africa. And Grevy's zebras are the largest and most endangered of the 3 species. Zebras have a lifespan of around 30 to 40 years in the wild. However, in captivity, they can live up to 50 years or more. Zebras play a significant role in African folklore and mythology. They are often depicted as symbols of strength, freedom, and the wilderness. We hope you enjoyed learning about zebras. If you want to learn about other fascinating animals, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.